What's up, guys? Just a quick video for the 9701 CRV. We're gonna take a driver's armrest and put it onto the passenger seat today. Picked up this one from a junkyard. This is off of a driver's side seat. All you need to do is remove the zipper, and you have a 17mm nut that lets you remove it from the assembly. The reason I'm removing it is I wanted to get an idea of where to cut some of my material, because the seat already has the mounting bracket underneath here. We just have to cut in the right spot. So I removed mine so I can kind of get a good idea of where to cut. Let's try that out. When doing this, make sure you use a brand new blade. It makes it a lot easier. I made it smaller than what it was, so now I can just open it up a little bit more, enough to get the new bracket installed onto the seat. Here, I think I got it opened up enough, so I'm going to try to put the mount on. That seemed to work perfectly. A little bit of material being pulled, but that's fine with me. I just didn't want anything hanging out. I wanted to hold it down. This one's a lot cleaner, obviously, from the factory, but now I can bolt it up. Maybe I didn't mention it, but it was just the two 10mm bolts which hold the mount to the chair. But after that, you can tighten up the 17mm nut, and don't do it too tight because then you won't even be able to move it, but make it tight enough so it gives you a little bit of resistance and you're set to go. Now you have a fully functioning passenger armrest. I imagine we're going to start seeing a lot more of these driver's armrests missing, but that's not a bad thing. Have a nice little mod for our first gen RD1s. I hope this helps you guys out. Hope you guys like the video, and we will see you soon.